I'm gonna be showing you how you eat a hot Cheeto fry in public when you have makeup on and you're not trying to get your lip gloss or your lipstick ruined. So this is kind of how you do it. You break it off with your teeth and then you just finish the rest. Plus, it's more enjoyable, to be honest, unless you just want to eat it all. Never mind. You can't eat it all. That's what I'm telling you. You need to break it. Let's get on to the video now. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Edith Gonzalez, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and let's get on to the video.
Someone to tell me how to roll my boat. So let me live and let me learn. I promise we will grow. If you love me like.
So as you guys could tell, I already have my face done because for this video I did want to just focus on the eyeshadow. So let's just begin. So I'm gonna be taking, of course, this tape. I don't know, it's like washi tape, but I like it because it's like does the job, plus it's just kind of like, but I also use it obviously to put it in my eyes to get like a sharper eyeshadow. And you sort of kind of want to line it up from like the corner of your eye to your eye. Okay, so the first eyeshadow palette that we're going to use is the Morphe 9A, and we're going to take this color, which is called Myself, and just apply that in our crease. Do the same thing to the other eye. So to intensify that color, we're going to take this color right here and we're going to apply that to our crease just to kind of intensify it. Use the Sugar Matte Metallic eyeshadow palette, and we're going to take this color, this little blue color, and oops, I'm going to apply that to our crease as well. But make sure you're going slowly because it is a dark color, so you don't really want to mess up on this one.
Now you got an audience. Tell me where your mind is. Drop a pin, what's the coordinates? You might have a fortune, but you lose me, you still gonna be misfortunate, nigga. Tell me, this love's got you this fucked up in the head. You want some random bitch up in your bed? She don't even know your middle name. Watch her, cause she might steal your chain.
So now we're gonna be cutting our crease once we have done that. And I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shade Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey.
You even got me tripping. You got me looking in the mirror different. Thinking I'm flawed because you inconsistent. Between a rock and a hard place, the mud and the dirt, it's gonna hurt me to hate you, but loving you's worse.
So once you have finished cutting your crease, we're gonna take the Morphe 3502 palette. Sorry, mine's really dirty. And we're gonna be taking the shade called Ablaze, and we're also gonna be taking Heat. So we're gonna kind of be mixing the two. And you're gonna take that color and put it in the middle, just like this. We're gonna take the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna take, you're gonna also apply that to where you cut your crease.
Yeah, it's not a threat, it's a warning, be careful with me. Yeah, my heart is like a package with a fragile label on it, be careful with me.
Trying to forget all of the messages, trying to forget all of the stressing, cause damn it was. Trying to forget all of the secondary feelings I had, man, it was fucking.
So for eyeliner, we're not really gonna put eyeliner, we're just simply gonna water
forget all the unnecessary.
Once you have done that, we're gonna curl our eyelashes. So we're gonna be using the mascara Bare Minerals called Lash Domination in the shade Intense Black. You put eyelash glue on your lashes. Either way, so once you let the glue dry a little bit, ooh, you're just gonna want to stack them on top of your real lashes. Just like that. Now, this is the final product, and I really hope you guys liked it. Bye!
I wanna see, I need no one else to tell me that I was worth a million smiles.